if your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking? If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last. You're running out of control. Police run out of control.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Along the streets of your city.
Whereas heading out of Christchurch, the southern motorway is busy onto Brown Street, 27 from town to Rolleston. Cashmere 17 minutes, delays along Colombo Street, and the northern corridor sluggish around Innes Road, 36 from town out to Rangiora. All other main roads looking okay, to the airport 18 from the CBD.
Find a home in a neighbourhood that makes you say, this is living. Search Fletcher Living. Apply online for a BP fuel card and save your business 14 cents per litre for the first 3 months on unleaded and diesel fuel. Do business the clever way. Hurry, offer ends September 30th. Eligibility requirements and T's and C's apply.
Are you thinking about your tyres? Well, you are now. And that's good, because the more you think about your tyres, the less you pay for your tyres. The experts at Advantage are here to help you get the right tyres for your life and to get the most out of them. Advantage, real-life tyre solutions.
Warm up with Daikin's Toasty Temps giveaway. Purchase and install a Daikin heat pump before the end of August and you could win $3,000 towards it. T's and C's apply. Head to daikin.co.nz for more.
Kia ora everybody, Guy Water jumping on the bandwagon saying go the Waz in Property Brokers country. Now could be a great time to sell your property. With listing levels at the lowest in a long time, now is a great opportunity to beat the competition and put your property up in lights. A lot of people wait until after the election to list their home. What usually happens then is a huge amount of property comes to the market. You don't sell your home in isolation, you sell it in competition with similar properties. Property brokers are seeing lots of buyer activity around the country at the moment, so if you are thinking of selling, call your property broker sales person to beat the market to the punch.
Licensed under REAA 2008.
We think that Westmead is the best meat, is the best meat you can buy. We reckon that Westmead is the best meat, is the best meat you can try. In our humble opinion, it's pretty hard to beat them. We think Westmead is the best. We think that Westmead is the best meat. We reckon Westmead is the best meat you can buy.
Chip Manor is your one-stop chip shop.
Oh, dude. You fucking idiot. Ay, ay, ay.
Oi! Scotty, that was for you.
Not far off the thing, noisy. Remember it's Sunday? They used to be jumping on you. Don't do it, old fella. Look at this clown. You want to have a look?
I'm trying to get in on here before.
What a clown. Yeah, you're not doing it again, you dickhead. Honestly. Oh, goodness gracious. Walking there, there is. She another line? She's just... She steps across me.
Just watch her.
Yeah, she is. Oh, Scotty!
Scotty.
We got a wanderer.
Out of the way, Dopey!
Please don't tell me this is a where did I park my car situation.
Yeah. Scotty.
Even if it is, it's not about parking your car, it's about walking.
Can we park in that?
Yeah.
Okay, she's
Well,
going.
Scotty.
Right.
Scotty, she's a wanderer.
Stay on the right. Stay on the right.
Fuck me! How about fuck you?
Oh, look at that through red light. That one's for you, Scotty.
Wouldn't it?
What the fuck? Oh, someone's taken a wrong turn. Oh, wow.
Dumbass. This is a sign for dumb or stupid. Or you're gonna slam that.
Wow. There you go, love.
Oh, what the fuck is that one doing?
Outside, just as we come across where this red car in front of me. Small supermarket out on the left.
Well, gotta go. I'm almost at the bridge now. Oh shit, I forgot. Am I supposed to send this shit out?
Tell you what, shitbag titty fucker of the week.
I mean, you can open your windows if you want to. You can absolutely. What the shit, dude?
He is impatient.
Well, he is.
Are you okay if I play a little kids music back here?
You go right ahead.
Can I pick what you want?
Bundle of the North.
Right, I'm just going to search off notes this time because we never ever find Mama. Just by the way, Mum, I know that everyone says we look the same, but when you've got a picture of you...
You're a fuckwit.
Do you get T-bone match? Cranky.
That's alright, this one's already damaged. I have a dash cam, just so you know this is being recorded.
Where am I going to?
Well, you overtook on the wrong side of the road.
It doesn't matter, but you'll get there too soon.
Thank you for recording this. Yes, you will be lucky to get there alive.
Wow, I cannot believe he got out to come and fucking tell you off.
Now, he overtook on the wrong side of the road. He's got aggression issues and doesn't like the fact he's being recorded.
In 800 metres, keep right onto Elder Smith Road. Stay in the right lane.
Yeah, what the fuck? Saw that happen. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Oh yeah, no U-turn, fuckwit. Sir? Just because you indicate doesn't mean I'm gonna give way to you. You fucking knucklehead.
And sit in on a porch. Don't bring your phone, and or keep it in your purse or your pocket. Bus only, dude. Bus only. There's one for Scotty.
Agreed.
Bus only.
Asshole.
Holy fucking dog shit! What? Did that hit?
We're going to give you the champagne breakfast cruise with SeaWorld Cruises. That's all yours.
File before, full on red light, Mr. Connections.
Away with the champagne breakfast cruise.
882 VJT. You were next to me, you bitch, and I stopped.
Hey!
Holy shit!
You're gonna.
Mr. Precise Air in the full-on right lane, not overtaking. Fuck all.
Holy dog shit!
has got his indicator on, watch him go straight. Called it. Called it. What? What the fuck was that? Just ran a red light and there was nothing. Really?
We'll both dress up as HoloLive streamers.
Oh,
we'll dress
yeah.
up as our favourite one.
Oh, but really?
Because I remember.
You fucking would do that.
Because I remember seeing
Nice one. There we go. Red light runner, beautiful. You go straight out your Mercedes. Watch. You gotta do it. You have no indicator on? Had a feeling you're gonna do that, you dickhead.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
What happened? The cat ran away?
Yeah, she had the cat in the thing and she dropped and the cat just ran.
Where is the cat?
He went into over the fence.